Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for home automation and smart devices business on Wix easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, let's enter the site. Now create new business. Now enter your business type or your website type, home automation, and devices, smart devices. So for example this repair services electronics. Now wait a few seconds to prepare in the dashboard. Now enter your business name, type in a business name you want. Now if you want to add your business address here, so let's next here. If you want to set your default working hours, let's move into the next section. Here if you want to add more services, so let's next here. If you want to add your stuff, what else do you want to do with your business? If you want to access online payments and automated emails and SMS reminder, sell digital and physical products, accept in-person payments, and here manage on the go with the Wix owner app. So let's select all these and let's continue to dashboard. Now wait a few seconds. Here design the site. How would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create sites for you or customize the design templates. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So now wait a few seconds. Now enter your information here, your email and your address, your phone. Here if you want to add a social link, and here if you want to add a logo. So next, pick a theme you like. So for example this. Here pick your favorite homepage design, pick any one you like here. So let's move on. Here add page to your sites. So next, now wait a few seconds to prepare in the website. And to add in the page on the website. Now your site is ready. Here if you want to edit more your site or design it, this is the settings of the website. Here you can add elements. You can add here you can manage the theme text, the size or the shape of the writing, also the titles, the paragraphs. That's it. Let's move on to the image. If you want to search for image or for anything here, show more. If you want to show more image, so let's move on to the button section, the size or the shape of the buttons. If you want to manage your themed buttons, text and icon buttons, image buttons and documents buttons, the iTunes buttons, the pay buttons and the PayPal buttons. The strip section, if you want to edit the strip section, the classic featured about the services, contact and the welcome, testimonial and theme. Decorative section, also here the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, the horizontal lines, the vertical lines, the vector art, the future, the icons, the animal and nature, the logos and the badges, the character, the video settings here, the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. So let's move on to the boxes settings, themed boxes, the container boxes, the over boxes, and the tab boxes. So the gallery section, pro galleries, here the recommended, the guide galleries, the slider galleries, and here if you want to show more galleries. So let's move on to the menu and anchor, the same menus, the horizontal menus, the vertical menus, also here the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu if you want to manage this, and here the site search. So let's move on to the contact and forms. If you want to edit the contact forms, the order forms, the registration, donation forms, the application forms, here the feedback forms, the request forms, and the waiver forms, the subscribe forms. Here is the Google Maps, and the full width maps, and the chat, the Wix chat, and the line. So let's move on to the video and the music. If you want to edit the Wix video, the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. Also, this is the music settings, the audio players. If you want to edit the audio players, the Wix music, the SoundCloud player, Spotify player, the iTunes button, and the interactive section here. If you want to edit the slideshows, to follow with slideshows, the box slideshows. Here is the light boxes, and here is the boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs. Here's the repeater, the hover repeaters. So let's move on to the list, the over repeaters and the blank repeaters, the embed code. Here if you want to custom popular embeds, the video here, the single video player, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, iTunes player, advanced here marketing tools, develop dev mode, and the animation here if you want to edit this. So let's move on to the social bar here if you want to edit your social bar, the social media bar, the Facebook or the Twitter or the Pinterest, or the VK or the line. Here is the music and video, YouTube. So the payment section, and the CMS if you want to easily manage your site's contents, the blog and the store, the bookings, the events, and the community, and the last thing here, your designs. So let's move on here. If you want to add a section, just select any section here you want. For example, about or theme or the contact section, the promotion, the services section, testimonial section, the clients, the store, bookings, and the events. And here is the basic and text and the list section. If you want to add page and menu, you can manage this. Also, if you want to design your site, here if you want to edit the color theme, if you want to edit the color theme, the text theme, the page background, and the page transitions. So let's move on here. If you want to add more apps, also here you can manage your business. And this is the media. If you want to edit your media, here this the CMS. If you want to easily manage your site content, and the last thing here, the marketing and SEO. So that's it. If you want to edit the website from here, if you want to move it the section up or move it the section down, if you want to do a quick edit here, and also if you want to explore section layout, also here if you want to more actions, if you want to delete or duplicate this section. So after you're done from this editing or designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.